you set to soar in your cloud expertise and morph into a certified Google Cloud Platform or GCP professional? The answer lies here with our all-inclusive GCP Certification Training from Cyber Ballet. Guided by an expert instructor with over 10 years of experience, this course paves the way to arm you with the essential skills for a thriving career in the dynamic sphere of cloud computing. Crafted to cater to a broad spectrum of cloud enthusiasts, this course is for you. Whether you are a cloud developer, manager, administrator or architect, or a solution architect embarking on your GCP journey, programmers interested in deploying applications within the GCP ecosystem will find a goldmine of knowledge here. Any curious mind intrigued by hosting scalable, fault-tolerant applications on the GCP platform will find this course invaluable. Start your Google Cloud Platform journey today with Cyber Ballet.